You want to see the steaks that we're having for dinner? You are? What do you?
Wow, what do you think of that?
Wow!
You want some help? Whoa,
She's going to sit down.
sit down and Sissy will bounce you.
She just wants to hold on to something. Can you zip that down, Mom?
Yeah.
Please, thank you.
Rudy,
Wow!
what are you guys trying for? It explicitly says only one person at a time in there.
What do you think, Kirsten? Happy Easter!
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Kenley!
Sissy, why don't you sit down and help little Sissy's hand and see if she can jump. Can you help her? Help her stand up.
Last night.
Yeah, you stand up. Stand up and hold her hands. But you don't jump, but see if Sissy can jump.
Yeah.
Can we jump with Sissy? Kirsten, take her hand for just a minute. Oh, hi. Happy Easter.